Cyclone Remel has left behind a trail of destruction. In the Mizoram quarry collapse case, the death toll has risen up to 17 now. Mizoram Chief Minister has announced a 4 lakh rupees ex gratia to the kin of deceased. Well, heavy rains, trees have been uprooted in parts of Meghalaya as well. Now, the information coming in at this point is that 2 people have died and 12 students have been injured in Assam. Schools have been shut in districts of Assam as well. All right, my colleague Ratnadeep joins us on the broadcast here, getting us more on that. Ratnadeep, Cyclone Remel leaving behind a trail of destruction in Mizoram. We are learning the death toll has now risen to 17. What more details are coming out?
Well, officially what we know that the death toll in Mizoram is at 12 and 6 people are still missing. So what we can confirm that 12 people body have been found from the debris of the collapse of the stone quarry that took place after heavy rains and landslide, and 6 people are missing and therefore search and rescue operation for them continues in the debris of that stone quarry near state capital Imphal. In fact, the state government has now also announced an ex gratia. The schools and the government offices remain shut. Only emergency services are operational in Mizoram. Flights could not take off or land from the Lengpui airport, the only airport in the state. There have been several other landslides in the state. Also, Assam government have confirmed at least 2 deaths, which includes a 17-year-old student who was traveling in a 3-wheeler when a tree fell on the 3-wheeler and he died. And in a similar incident, 12 other students have sustained injuries. The students sustained injuries in Dhekiajuli in Sonitpur district, whereas the student died in Morigaon district. In fact, Assam has now decided to shut down schools till tomorrow in districts which have red alert for more rains. There have been 1 death which has been confirmed in Meghalaya. As of now, at least 6 people have sustained injuries in Meghalaya and have been admitted in hospitals. In Meghalaya as well, there have been heavy rains, cyclonic storms which have caused landslides. Many big trees have fallen, and also to add to it, there have been several instances of landslides in different areas, and there are still warnings for more rains in different parts of northeast. There is also a severe outage of power with power lines being disrupted in several places across Assam and other parts of northeast India. Internet and mobile services have also been hit. So therefore, not only there have been loss of lives, with over a dozen people dead across northeast and several people injured, admitted in hospital, but there have been services that have been hit, properties, both government and private, have faced destruction, and normal life has been completely thrown out of gears.
Okay, well, authorities are making all possible efforts to rescue those who have been trapped here in parts of Mizoram, as we are learning in the quarry collapse incident that took place in other places as well in Mizoram, where such incidents have taken place, and also parts of northeast, as my colleague Ratnadeep has been informing us, including Assam also, as well as Meghalaya.